do you ensure that your products are in safe hands? How do you know that your products are in good hands, especially when you ship it to Amazon? Amazon is the largest business platform for simple business owners like you and me. So how do you know if your products are not in danger? So the first thing you need to do is you need to know that your product is not in danger. My name is Toyin Ibironke. I am the Savvy Amazon seller. When a vendor or a seller makes an Amazon sale, for example, when you process your product, you package it and you send it to Amazon for them to ship it, Amazon will rearrange it and then they will ship it to the final buyer. This business strategy is very, very known and is common to everybody around us today. People are doing Amazon business and it has helped millions of people such as you and I for us to gain freedom and for us to have a platform where we can sell. Today, I will be sharing with you how you can know if your product is not in danger. I want you to share this video and also click on the notification button so that you can get more information on how to succeed as an entrepreneur. As a business owner, you should be aware of Amazon policies. You should be aware of Amazon's reserved inventories. During the entire shipping process, there will be a time when Amazon will tell you that, oh, your products are being reserved. They are holding these products for you because of two reasons. Amazon holds that product for you when they feel that they have made a sale and they have not sent it out already. So they know that they're going to send it out, but they have not sent it out. So they put it in a reserved place for you and they will be removing it very soon for it to be processed to the customer. So that is number one. Number two, when they said that your product is in reserved, when they said it is in reserve, they're trying to tell you that they will be able to send this product. They are looking and they are investigating this product for another period of time, maybe 2 days or 3 days. They are looking at it. And the second thing is that they are relocating your product from one warehouse to another, meaning that they reserve it so that they can take it to another warehouse. If your product is already in this warehouse, they might likely want to take it to another warehouse. So imagine it's not for either of these two reasons. In that situation, you should not be afraid, because Amazon can decide that they want to keep your product for you or they want to send it to another fulfillment center. So don't be worried as a new seller when you see Amazon reserved product, because it happened to me last week and I was like, what does it mean? Why would Amazon reserve my product? Why won't they ship my product out? And I didn't really have another product to sell. It was later that I realized that they were keeping it for it to be shipped, and today it has been shipped to the owner, to the final buyer. So that is the reason why I said don't fret when you see your product reserved. There are so many reasons why Amazon will reserve your product. Your product is in safe hands. It's not for sale during that period. It's either transiting to another place or transiting to another fulfillment center. So it's okay. You will be fine. As a new seller, you are going to be fine. So share this video and don't forget to watch the next Amazon video. Bye for now.